New reports indicate that the Thailand army is in the final process of completing its purchase of over 600 military trucks from the TATA group. The Thailand ambassador to India has said that the Indian truck is fully fit for the country, as it is rugged and very easy to maintain. TATA has already won a contract for supplying 1,858 trucks to the Indian Army, making it the biggest order to a local private supplier, and will be used for the Spider short-range surface-to-air systems, 12x12 variant for the indigenous cruise system, and also for the new Pinaka regiments. After completing the sea trials successfully, the third submarine of the Calvary class is expected to join the Indian Navy by December 2020, while the fourth submarine INS VELA will join the Navy by the end of 2021. The first two Calvary submarines have already been inducted into the Navy, and the entire project to build 6 conventional submarines is expected to be completed by 2022. In a big blow to 11 private sector firms that were bidding to supply a wide variety to the Indian Army since 2017, the Defense Ministry has withdrawn 7 tenders worth billions of dollars, saying that the bids are non-compliant. The orders were to be placed with the private sector, and the ministry did not even share any specific reasons for the withdrawal. The ministry is looking at a new process in which limited numbers will be procured, and this will hit the private industry, as several Indian firms have already signed the technology transfer agreements and have even made payments to foreign collaborators. The Defense Acquisition Council had cleared the indigenous 76mm Super Rapid Gun mount on 11th August, and new reports indicate Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited is now fully ready to start the assembly of the indigenous system at its facility. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited earlier used the technology of an Italian company to manufacture 76mm naval systems, and they were equipped on the stealth destroyers of the Indian Navy. Top officials have confirmed that the test of several modifications of the Indo-Russian Brahmos system with extended range will be conducted by the end of 2020. The air-launched variant has already been extended to 450 kilometers, and the 800 kilometers range variant of the truck-based Brahmos system was also scheduled to be tested by the end of this year. New reports indicate that the United Arab Emirates has expressed its interest to buy the Brahmos system, and as the UAE enjoys good relations with both India and Russia, so there would be no problem if it is exported to that country. On the sidelines of Army 2020 exhibition in Moscow, the Director for International Cooperation and Regional Policy of Rostec Corporation has said that Russia is designing a new generation non-nuclear submarine with China, along with several defense platforms for land, aerial and naval use. The chief designer of Russia's early warning system has said that Russia had made progress in assisting China in the development of a similar system which will provide early warning of ICBMs at a range of 6,000 kilometers using long-range radar systems, satellites and other sensors. The CEO of Russia's Bhel Corporation has said that Russia and China are carrying out work in a whole number of areas, including the area of space control. The Indian ambassador to Russia has said that the deliveries of S-400 air defense systems to the Indian Air Force will be done as per the planned schedule, while the contract for manufacturing KAMOV 226 helicopters will be signed in 2021, as there are still some technical discussions regarding indigenization of production. India has expressed hope that the intergovernmental agreement signed in 2019 for local manufacturing of spare parts of Russian defense equipments will be operationalized soon. India and Vietnam have agreed to add new momentum to their economic and defense engagement, and these decisions were taken at a virtual meeting of the India-Vietnam Joint Commission. It is learned that the overall situation in South also discussed, and India has reaffirmed development and capacity building assistance through quick impact projects to Vietnam.